Good morning, dear students. Today we're going to continue working in our worksheets. Please, everybody, at live worksheets. And here we have two practices for today. The first practice is about countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, so we're going to do this activity. Here says, activity number 1. Choose C for countable and U for uncountable nouns. We're going to remember what are countable and which words are uncountable. We say countable when a word can have the plural form. Decimos countable cuando esta palabra puede tener forma plural. And we say uncountable when this word doesn't have a plural form. Y utilizamos you para los uncountable. Y los uncountable son palabras que no pueden tener forma plural. A la palabra no le puedo adicionar S, no le puedo adicionar ES, o no puede ser irregular, como por ejemplo child es niño y su plural es children. Entonces la palabra child sí tiene plural, que es children. Ese es un irregular. Como por ejemplo también man, hombre, y hombres digo men, no digo mans. Eso no existe. Digo men. Son plurales irregulares, pero tienen forma plural. En cambio, hay unos uncountable, o mejor dicho, todos los uncountable no tienen forma plural. Se usa la palabra tal como está. Y los countable son los que sí tienen forma plural. ¿Ok? Let's see. Son uncountable, así de modo general, en referencia a alimentos, todo lo que se refiere a pequeños granitos, pequeñas partículas, como por ejemplo el arroz son pequeños granos, pequeñas partículas, la sal, el azúcar, la harina. Entonces todo esto que vengan en pequeñas partículas o pequeños granos son uncountable. Todos los líquidos también son uncountable. Todas las carnes, todos los tipos de carne también son uncountable. Okay? So, we're going to do this activity. First one, we have bread. Is it countable? Uncountable. U is for uncountable and C is for countable. What do you think about bread? Bread is uncountable. Good. Uncountable. Grapes. Here we have grapes. Is it countable? Uncountable. Good. It is countable. Es un countable porque está en plural. Right? Podemos ver aquí que tiene forma plural. Si fuese singular sería solo grape sin la S. Butter, mantequilla. What do you think about butter? Countable, uncountable? Uncountable. Good. La mantequilla también es uncountable. Salt. What about salt? Countable, uncountable. La sal viene en pequeñas partículas. Uncountable. Very good. Chicken. Me refiero a la carne. Chicken. Dijimos que todas las carnes son uncountable. Bananas. You see here the plural. Is it countable? Uncountable. Countable. Good. And you continue with the rest. Right? Continúas con lo que viene. Me completas esta actividad. 2. Fill in the gaps with a, and, some, or any. Completamos los espacios con a, and, some, or any. There aren't oranges. Oranges. Está en plural. Y está negativo. Plural y negativo. ¿Qué utilizamos? Any. Good. There is egg. There is singular. Egg. 1. Que utilizo para referirme a solo uno. Singular. Ah, pero como la palabrita empieza con vocal, an egg. There aren't cakes. Aren't negative and plural. Negative plural. Any. Right? There are tomatoes. Está en afirmativo. Tomatoes, plural. Affirmative, plural. Some. Okay. Good. Please, you complete the next exercises. Okay. Activity number 3, we have complete dialogue with how much, how many. How much significa cuánto para todos los que son uncountable. Y how many, cuántos para todos los que son countable. Entonces, how much uncountable, how many countable. Okay, let's start. That says, okay, Trevor, we have onions. Do we need onions? It's in plural. Plural countable. How many onions do we need? Just one onion, I think. Very good. And here we have cheese, el queso. It is how much, porque el queso es uncountable. And you complete the next, right? The next blanks, please. As soon as you finish, remember that you have to click on finish, right? Okay, good. And then we have the next practice. In this practice, we're going to do there is, there are, and some, any. We're going to put in order, right, to make sentences. I see, number 1, you see the picture. Miras la imagen. Oh, yeah, you see here we have the picture of milk. And you write your sentence. Milk is countable, uncountable. Es un líquido. Uncountable, por lo tanto va con singular. And I track, arrastro, track, and you track. There is, está en afirmativo. There is some milk on the table. Okay. Number 2, you see the picture. Peas, arvejas, right? And we have, there are some peas in the bowl. Okay, and you continue putting it in order, right? Here in activity number 2 we have, now it's more difficult. You have extra words you do not need. Aquí en actividad 2 tenemos palabritas extras. Van a sobrar algunas palabras. No las vas a necesitar. You do not need them. So, si no las necesitas, no las pongas. Remember that first you have to look at the picture. Here we have cheese. What would we say here? There are or there is? Si cheese is uncountable, ¿qué usarás? There are or there is? Good. There is. There is. There is, what do you say? There is some. What do we have in the picture? Cheese, right? Cheese on the table. Okay, there is some cheese on the table. Remember to complete this sentence, and then the same here. You complete and you complete. As soon as you finish, you click on finish. Okay. Recuerda que al finalizar tus 2 prácticas tienes que tomarle foto a las prácticas o tomar capturas de pantalla y las envías por EduSoft as homework, como tarea. Okay, so good luck, bye bye, take care, see you on Tuesday.